Dictionaries. Dictionaries means ordered collection of items. Every dictionary item is a key value pair. Creating dictionary created by enclosing items within curly braces. Each item in dictionary has a key value pair separated by a comma. Let's take an example. Dict1 equal to within curly braces string name colon string jog comma string age colon 24. Print of type of dict1. Print of dict1. Let's run it. See, the output is type is dictionary having key value pairs as items. Keys are name and age. Values are jog and 24. Immutable keys. Keys must be of immutable type and must be unique. Values can be of any object and can repeat. In this example, I am giving key is string roll number, value is 24 in dict1. Creating empty dictionary. Let's take one example. Dict1 equal to dict of, print of type of dict1, print of dict1. Let's run it. See, the output is type is dictionary, empty dictionary having curly braces. Let's see second one, how to create empty dictionary. Dict1 equal to empty curly braces. Print of type of dict1. Print of dict1. Let's run it. See, the output is same as previous one, that is type is dictionary, empty dictionary having curly braces. How to access items in dictionary. To access the items in dictionary, we use square brackets along with the key to obtain its value. Let's take one example. Dict1 equal to within curly braces string name colon string jog comma string age colon 24. Print of dict1 within square brackets string name. Let's run it. See, the output is jog. Accessing items using get method. The get method returns none if the key is not found. Let's take one example. Dict1 equal to within curly braces string name colon string jog comma string age colon 24. Print of dict1 dot get of string name. Let's run it. See, the output is jog. Now let's get city value, that is print of dict1 dot get of string city. Let's run it. See, the output is none because city key is not there in dict1. Let's discuss key error. When we use the square brackets to access the key value, key error is raised in case a key is not found in the dictionary. In this example, I am giving print of dict1 within square brackets string city. Let's run it. See, the output is key error city. Let's summarize this. If we use the square brackets, key error is raised in case a key is not found in the dictionary. On other hand, the get method returns none if the key is not found in dictionary. Let's discuss membership check. Checks if the given key exists. Let's take one example. Dict1 equal to within braces string name colon string jog comma string age colon 24. Result equal to string name in dict1 print of result. Let's run it. See, the output is true because name key is in dict1.